Hello, welcome to Zimbabwe. Welcome to Zimbabwe. Welcome to Macholing East, Wedza. Here in Macholing East, the eastern side of Zimbabwe. We are here in Wedza district, rural Wedza. And I'm pleased to be here. I've been welcomed by the people of Wedza. And where I'm standing here, we're going to come up with a cultural village here in Wedza. And as the next step, we've had 7 years of experience working in Matabele North Province, the Wanke and Victoria Falls area. And we are coming here now to be working in Wedza district. And this is overlooking here mountains. That's Manikaland over there. You can see there, so Rusape. You can see Wedza mountain as well. It really looks amazing. Zimbabwe is quite a beautiful country, and we are amazed. Come and I'll show you. Come, follow me. Look at how amazing Zimbabwe is. Look at how beautiful it is. That's why they say Zimbabwe is one of the most beautiful places on this planet. And a cultural village will come up here, overlooking Wedza Mountain. We are pleased for the next few years ahead of us. We'll be working hard on this site. We've worked hard in Matabele North, Victoria Falls and Wanke. And we've done that, and we have that experience. And we are here coming into Wedza district in rural Wedza. And we are going to push on sustainability and social mobility in rural Zimbabwe. And it is only Zimbabweans who are able to do this. Most people think foreign investment is the way forward, but we think it's the Zimbabweans who can push the country forward. And we are coming here in Wedza district, pushing Zimbabwe to a middle class economy. And we're starting from rural Zimbabwe. And by the way, my name is Taku Mutepa. And just show them around what you can see over the villages here from our side. Good. Can you cut?